Baby, you don't know what you do to me.
Hey lipstick gang, this is Victoria Lowe and I'm back with another video showing you guys how to make this simple, super clear, icy lip gloss. It's the perfect consistency, the perfect shine. I absolutely love it. Can't wait to share. Stay tuned.
Mix it, lipstick gang. Mix it, lipstick gang. Mix it, lipstick gang. Mix it, lipstick gang. Let's mix it up. Mix it, lipstick gang. Mix it, lipstick gang. Mix it, lipstick gang. Let's mix it up.
Alright lipstick gang, so before I get into this recipe, I want to remind you that if you want a full recipe with the full measurements to this particular recipe, please join me on Patreon. I want to thank all of my Patreon members and all of my new Patreon members. You guys, there is so much over on my Patreon. I have my whole catalog of recipes that I have done over the years. That way you can have them for reference. You can join my Patreon for a small pledge of $5 per month. It is so appreciated and I can't wait to see you guys there. So first things first, I'm going in with some Versa Gel. You've guessed it. Versa Gel is a product all in itself, and it is going to be responsible for this clear lip gloss and the overall product. The next ingredient that I'm going to be adding in is already present in Versa Gel. To make it clear, this is what we need. It is the hydrogenated polyisobutene. And hydrogenated polyisobutene is already present in the Versa Gel itself, but what we're doing is just tweaking the ratio to make the spreadability of this gloss less thick, less sticky, and also hydrogenated polyisobutene does help enhance the shine of the lip gloss as well. So those are the two ingredients that I use to make this super clear lip gloss. No coconut oils, no additional oils, because you know a lot of people are allergic to coconuts. Some people are, some people aren't. In order to make this a universal lip gloss that everybody can use, I highly suggest that you just switch out the coconut oil. Of course, that's up to you, and exchange it for the hydrogenated polyisobutene. So after this, I'm going to go ahead and start to mix my hydrogenated polyisobutene into the Versa Gel by hand with a sanitized silicone spatula, and I'm going to start to mix very slow because you want to try to avoid as many air bubbles as possible. It is impossible to overall avoid the air bubbles, but we're just going to do our best not to add any additional air bubbles. And I will say, once your product settles, like once you fill your bottles and have them sit, the air bubbles do tend to disappear more in the wand tubes than they do in the squeeze tubes. And that's just off of my personal observation. But yes, here I am mixing slowly until the consistency of the lip gloss is where I want it to be, and also all of or both of the ingredients are incorporated with each other very well.
Anywhere I can, I want you in my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long.
Now that I'm done mixing the product by hand, I'm just going to check the texture and the consistency, and I am loving the texture of this gloss. It is flowing off of the spatula, and that's what you want to see. That means that it will be much easier to pipe into your bottle, and also it would not be as thick and sticky on your lips that sometimes leaves a residue. So now I'm going to go in with my preservative. I'm using Optifin today, and I'm going to mix that in slowly again as well. And once I'm done, I'm going to pipe this mixture of clear ice lip gloss into my bottles.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do what you do. That's why I don't mind spending my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give it all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on.
And there you guys have it, some super clear ice shiny lip gloss. I love the way it came out. It's so pretty. It's ideal for just topping your lips with no lipstick. If you want to do a lip combo to make it glossy with a liner and a lipstick, then pair it with a gloss on top. Oh my goodness, it looks so beautiful. Here I am just putting the rest of the product into a jar. I believe this is an 8-ounce jar. I made 4 ounces of product on camera, so I'm just going to add in the rest of the product to this jar that I made off camera. And also, you guys, if you need some clear lip gloss and you don't want to make it yourself, head over to my website, veryveelobeauty.com, and you'll be able to purchase this clear lip gloss already made. I'll have it available in the 4-ounce size as well as the 8-ounce size and the small individual tubes. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys later.